and the remainder will be 0. Okay, so now what we have now let me now proceed. F of -3 is equal to 0, and then f of what? F of what else is 0? 0 is 0. And also f of what? F of 2 is 0. Now we have all these zeros here, and these are special conditions. Now from here, what this implies is this implies that f of x is actually equal to what? Is equal to x plus 3, and then times x, and then times x minus 2. And note that the given condition, the problem says that f is the 4th degree. Because it is the 4th degree, we will have one more x, and so namely, how about if I just write, how about x minus, and then how about x minus, let's say m like this. And so this is how a 4th degree polynomial is going to look like. We know that 4th degree polynomial has 4 zeros. 3 zeros are already spelled out. So we need one more zero, which we call an m. We don't know what the m is. And we don't know what the a is, the leading coefficient. And we know that x plus 3 and x minus 2 are factors of this polynomial, because when you plug in those values, its condition is we get 0. So this is how the f of x looks like. So this is the first part before we get into any calculation. And that's why we need to know the factors here. The question is, do you understand up to this much?
Yeah, I get that now. That makes sense. The balancing, like the zeros, checking for like 4 to match the polynomial.
Yeah. So now all you have to do is use the other conditions and figure out the a and the m. All you need is only 2 points. But if you look at the problem, besides those 3 conditions here, f of -0, f of 0, 0, f of 2, 0. Besides those, there are actually what? 1, 2, 3. There are 4 more conditions here. But actually, you don't need 4. You just need 2 of those. And then I just pick the first 2. And then if you use those 2 conditions, then we can find the value of a and the m. And then that's the answer.
So, what would you plug in for the a? The leading.
So we don't know what the is. We don't know the a. We must find a. We must be what? Let me see. We must find a. A and m. You have to find the a and the m.
And that's where you factor for it.
Okay, so we have to find a and m. The a and the m, we don't know what they are. They're constants, but we don't know what they are. So how do we find the m and the n? Use the other conditions. So in this case, we use what? You can either use what conditions? F of a -2 is equal to what? Is equal to 16. And use the other f of what? -1 is equal to 9. And when you use those 2 conditions, you can find the a and the m.
I see.
Yeah, I mean.
Use the other conditions as well. You know, but you only need.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Okay, good.
All right, have a nice day, Professor. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Professor, did you say a test on Wednesday or a quiz on Wednesday?
Okay, anyone has any other questions?
Did you say test on Wednesday or quiz on Wednesday? Did you say test on Wednesday or quiz on Wednesday? Hello?
Max, my original plan was to give you a test on Wednesday.
Okay. I just want to make sure I heard appropriately. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.